Are you intimidated by the word negotiation? Keep watching and learn how to do this easily, no joke. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Maureen with Landis Properties brokered by eXp Realty in Ashburn, Virginia, your go-to source for all things real estate. I have 2 kids, I'm a former teacher, and I now practice real estate and teach about real estate. Subscribe if you want to join our community. Here are tactics you can employ to successfully negotiate. These tactics will work for buyers and sellers, and they'll work in any situation, but I'll be giving real estate examples today. Number 1, know your walkaway point. Before you do anything, set for yourself and know what your walkaway point or bottom line is. Your walkaway point is at what point you're willing to walk away from the deal. If there's a certain price or there's something in the timeline that's a deal breaker, whatever it is, have that in mind before you start negotiation. And take emotion out of it. Not only will this give you strength in your negotiation because you know you're not willing to be walked all over, but you'll also have a clear endpoint should the negotiations not meet your expectations in terms of your endpoint. Number 2, prepare. Like with most things, if you prepare, you'll feel more confident and have knowledge on your side in negotiating. Research the property thoroughly, its history, market value, any potential issues. Understand current market trends and comparable sales in the area so you understand where the property stands in relation. Number 3, start negotiations with what you believe to be a strong, fair offer. Remember, the goal is to create a win-win situation. If you both win, then everybody's a winner. It seems simple, but sometimes people get into negotiations and think they have to take a defensive standpoint, which isn't necessary. It is possible for both sides to win. Start with a strong offer with what you feel is fair to you and based in facts, based on market research and current market trends. Number 4, use the power of silence. Silence can be an incredibly effective tool. After presenting your offer, resist the urge to talk and fill the silence. Instead, wait and listen and let the silence work in your favor. Not only is this an effective negotiation tactic, it also projects an air of confidence, even if you're not feeling confident. Silence can prompt the other party to make concessions or reveal important information. After making an offer or counteroffer, embrace silence to prompt concessions or gather information. Remember, the goal is to create a win-win situation, but you want to protect yourself from being taken advantage of too. Not everyone you negotiate will be as scrupulous and ethical as you. Listen for what their response is to your offer. If they mention something that is important to them, you can use that to bargain in exchange for something that's important to you. If they say anything that raises any red flags, be on guard and proceed slowly before committing to anything. Number 5, showcase value, not just price. It's crucial to focus on the value that your offer brings, not just the price tag. Highlight the unique features of the property, recent upgrades, or potential for appreciation if you're the seller. If you're the buyer, highlight the value of your offer details, such as rent-back agreement, skipping an inspection, not recommended but can be done in certain situations or markets, or cash offer. Highlighting everything that you're offering to the table can show that you're fair and reasonable, which could sway the other party. Number 6, leverage time and deadlines. Like silence, time can be a powerful negotiating tool. If you have flexibility, use time to your advantage. Set reasonable but firm deadlines that create a sense of urgency. For example, as a seller, requiring that all highest and best offers are due by Sunday at 6 p.m. Or as the buyer, requiring that the seller respond to your offer in a certain amount of time. This forces the other party to make a decision one way or the other, and hopefully if you had a strong offer to begin with, they'll choose in your favor. Number 7, collaborate and build rapport. At the end of the day, you're collaborating on an important deal for both of you. and you are both human beings. As mentioned before, not everyone will be as scrupulous and ethical as you, but having your guard up for any red flags, be personable and work to build rapport and work together to create a win-win situation and a mutually happy agreement. Ways you can do this are to listen actively to the other party's needs and concerns. If something is really important to them and it's no skin off your back, then of course try to accommodate them. Find areas of mutual benefit. Do you need more time to financially prepare and the other party does too? Maybe a rent back agreement could benefit you both. Either way, you will feel even happier about your closed transaction if you were happy and the other party was too, not just one party submitting to the other's demands. In conclusion, negotiation doesn't have to be scary. The word negotiation can conjure images of men from the 80s in business suits or high-profile lawyers dueling to the death. Even phrases such as negotiation is an art can create a sense that it's something not accessible to most people. But at the end of the day, negotiation is just creating a win-win situation for you and the other party. If you know your bottom line or walk-away point, stick to your ethics and follow your gut, then all it is collaborating with the other party. And if communication isn't something that comes naturally to you, preparation will be your best friend. For more real estate content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And if you live in Northern Virginia, I'd love to be your realtor.